What's up, guys? Seth from Dark Waters Fly Shop. Thanks for hanging out with me in another video, and thanks to everybody that's been commenting and subscribing and engaging with the channel. We just hit 500 subscribers. Super cool. We're gonna have a giveaway coming soon, so make sure that you stay tuned to that. But anyways, moving to the subject of this video, I'm changing my ways. Many of you might be going, okay, like what's this all about? If you guys go back to the previous videos that I did for fall run fish, and even some of my rigging videos for spring run fish, steelhead, fall run browns, kings, cohos, different things like that, you'll know that I was using a pretty complicated indicator rig. And it included like an Albright knot, lots of split shots, couple dropper flies, different things like that. Extremely effective technique for fishing up here, and it's a technique that I'm definitely still gonna use. But I'm gonna tell you something. This last Sunday and Monday, I did a guided trip for a guy from downstate Michigan named Andrew. It was a super awesome trip, but I took him to some water that I knew was gonna hold some really big lake run browns. When we got on to these runs, the first thing he says is he's like, "Hey, can I do my own rig?" And I'm like, "Sure, what do you got going on?" He goes, "I'm in a Euro nymph." I thought it was super cool because I've always wanted to learn how to Euro nymph, but I didn't know how effective it was going to be on our water. You guys remember in some of my other videos, I've been like, "Hey, if anybody knows anything about tight lining, European nymphing, leave some comments, let me know," which I did. I had some of you guys say, "Hey, try it out, do it, it's extremely effective, you definitely need to do it." My problem is that I'm a visual learner. So like I can go on YouTube and figure out how to do like editing tricks with camera gear or like rigging techniques. That's awesome. But when you get out on the water and you've got different snags, you've got different structural things, there's different water speeds, the fish patterns, all that kind of stuff factors in. It wasn't something that I felt confident enough to like pick up on my own on the river by myself. So when this opportunity arose and I saw Andrew catching fish on this European nymph rig, I was like, dude, you gotta show me what's up. Thank you, Andrew. Like, you definitely changed a lot of things for me, and it turned me on to a new technique that I'm definitely gonna implement. In fact, today I'm meeting up with my buddy Dylan shortly here. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go out on the river. We're gonna try to catch some of these fish doing this Euro nymph rig. I hope to get some fish on camera for you guys. And but it's super cool. I went out yesterday. I caught about 5 fish. None of them were really big. The biggest one I got was about an 18-inch rainbow. But we do have some of these fall run fish still in. I'm gonna see if I can get some of them hooked up on this Euro nymph rig. I'm super excited because just in the last couple days of me doing it, it's proven to be extremely successful. Actually, before we go fishing, let me show you some of the clips from Andrew catching some of these big lake run browns on the trip that we took over the last few days. Is that like biggest brown you've ever got?
That's the biggest brown I ever caught, man.
Dude. Upper Peninsula, Lake Superior, wild brown.
All right. Oh my goodness, these boots are frozen stiff. Uh-oh, I can't get them on. They're frozen stiff. I gotta heat them up in the car. So my boots were frozen stiff. I have to heat them up in the car. Like this. That's what I'm doing right now. That's a little ridiculous, but I guess lesson learned. It's wintertime in the UP. Don't leave your boots in your car overnight. I got one of Ty's tube jigs. Oh, and I dropped it back down.
All right, guys, so my battery's gonna die. I gotta show you this fish real quick. Look at this fish. That's what we got going on the European nymph rig. Euro nymphing, absolutely. I owe Andrew a giant thank you. Andrew, thank you for such a good technique, teaching me how to do it. This is how we roll up here in the UP, Lake Superior brown trout. What's up, guys? We did it on the Euro rig. We got a big old Lake Superior buck. Lake run fish. Check this out, guys. Yeah, that's it right there. That's totally what we got going on. Oh my gosh, this is just a beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and let it go and talk a little bit more about that Euro rig. We're recording on my phone right now because all my other camera batteries died. Oh, this is sick. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get a release of this gorgeous fish right here. Oh yeah, he's ready to go. There he is. Wow, that thing's got some steam. Oh, that was so sick. We got another one. It's not a brown, but it's a decent coho. And look at that fish. Yeah, slammed the Euro rig again. We're having a really good day. It's been incredible. Oh man. So yeah, I'll give you one more look at this fish, and then we're gonna get a release. Look at that fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. On the Euro rig. Boom, right there, big belly. And I'm guessing that she has got some eggs to deposit. So we'll go ahead and release her, just like so. Whoop, there, yeah, quick release. That's so sick. I'm sold on this rig. It's totally awesome. We're gonna see if we can get some more because they're eating right now. It's awesome. All right, so that was a super awesome day. It's actually the next day, so as of yesterday, today is tomorrow, but yesterday is when we caught all those fish when I started shooting this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're going to do another video where I talk about the Euro nymph rigging, the cider material, the pound test that you use, the type of knots, something called tippet rings that I never used before I started doing this. Yeah, so that's going to be a wrap for this video. I really appreciate you guys following the channel. Make sure to tell people about it and pass it around as you see fit. Hopefully we're gonna get some more time out on the water this year yet. I'm super tired. Yesterday was awesome. The day before was awesome. I just like I have like a whole bunch of stuff to do yet. Also, just so that you also know what's going on, this room that I'm shooting in is also a recording studio. It's completely trashed right now because I run the fly shop out of the same building during the summertime, but then in the winter, all of the recording studio stuff goes up and all the fly shop stuff gets torn down. So give you a little bit of an idea of what we have going on here. I'll even take you to the other room. It's like super tore out. The lighting's horrible. A little extra credit snippet of the show. So this is normally where the fly shop is, right here, right? But and you can, as you can see, is everything's pretty much getting torn down. We got the coffee shop in there and different things like that. So just giving you a little bit of an extra credit plug here for the shop. This is it. All right, guys, take it easy. That's I don't think there's anything else to say. Bye.